Hello YouTube fam! So for today's video, I am so excited because I'm going to be going from straight to curly, but I'm going to actually be using GHD's Platinum Plus Straightener to do it. So I don't know if you guys have ever seen people curl their hair with straighteners. I haven't done it in actually a really long time. But I was at GHD's event last week and saw this and I was like, oh my god, I love how it has the round edges. I feel like this would curl my hair so well. And so I saw them do it on another girl and it looked so good. So got the straightener and I'm excited to try. But just to give you guys a little information about GHD, first of all, this is not sponsored. I went to their event and got this and I thought, you know, why not show you guys how I curl my hair with a straightener. It's a 1-inch styler. Also, it's a 365-degree set temp. They were telling me they do this because that's a temperature that won't burn your hair, but it'll still give it the curl or the straightening that you need. Also with this GHD Platinum Plus, it has 70% less breakage, more color protection, and 90% of people agree their hair is feeling and looking in great condition. So I'm super excited to try. Here's their little breakdown of all their information. But yeah, also heats up in less than 20 seconds. So let's put that to the test now and get this guy heating up. While this heats up, be sure to follow me on Instagram and also don't forget to subscribe. But this thing is pretty much already heated, so, heated. So let's get to the video from straight to curly with the straightener. All right, so before I get to curling my hair, I did want to let you guys know I did a tips and tricks video, kind of curling your hair for beginners. I will put that up here. It just gives you some little tips on easy ways to curl your hair, and I'm gonna use some of those today. So what I'm first gonna do is section off my hair. So wherever you wanna put your part, then take half of the hair and tie it up. I think it's just easier, it keeps this hair out of the way. I'll do this hair. I do like to start in the back. So what I'm actually gonna do is pull a piece from the back, and I'll start with this here. So, how to curl your hair with a straightener. You're gonna do it upside down, clamp it, wrap it around, and then kind of twist this around like that, and then slowly pull out, making sure your hair is in the barrel part and not up here or in the flat iron part. And curl. So then I throw that in the back and I just keep repeating that on this entire side. Pretty simple. Doing it with this hand, well, I'm left-handed, but this way is like the harder side for me, so that's why it's a little harder to flip. The other side will be a little easier, but just one side obviously will be a little harder. And then slowly curl. Again, throw to the back. So I'm gonna do that all on this side to speed it up a little bit. When I get closer to the front, I'll slow it down and talk to you guys again. Okay, so slowing it down now that I'm a little closer to the front, but as you can see, I was pretty much taking some bigger pieces and some smaller pieces, just to give it not all the same size curl. And then again, just twist around, making sure your hair stays in the part where like panels are, like, I don't even know what to call that. And then when I get to the front, I do like to do them a little bit smaller, just to give it a little more curl in the front. Also, just to let you guys know, I'm curling my hair on second day after washing, so I washed it yesterday. I feel like it just holds a little bit better. I will put a little dry shampoo when I'm done to the roots, but just like an easy, soft curl. I'll probably go back in and do some of these ones that didn't get like a really big curl. Just a little more. Give it a little more. And as you can see, this type of curl is not as like tight as my other one that I did. So it really depends what kind of like curl you're going for, if you want to go with a straightener or not. I kind of like this like barely curled look. All right, one side done, kind of, because then I'm gonna like let this chill for a sec, run my fingers through it, all that good stuff. But let's go ahead and do this other side. So this is the easier side for me. Like I said, you guys will probably have a harder and easier side. So I don't know why this one's just so much easier for me to like flip my wrist like that. I don't know. But I don't have to do like all the turning that I did in the other one, or on the other side. Or that back. But I'm gonna go ahead and do all of this side, speed it up a little bit, and then get back to you guys when I'm at the front. All right, so now that I'm close to the front, I should have actually stopped it a little sooner. I have these two pieces left, so again, I like the front ones to be a little thinner. That one back. A little piece here. Okay, so now, like I kind of did with the other side, whoa, this guy's a little crazy. I'm gonna go back through and see kind of where I want to do any more curls. Actually, fix that little guy. Okay, so I'm actually gonna let it sit for a few minutes and then I'm gonna hairspray it. Sit, run my fingers through it, and then hairspray it, and then show you guys the final result because it's still a little woof. So give me like 5 minutes. All right, and there you have it. I ran my fingers through it a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of dry shampoo up in here. Like I said, this is day 2, so I do like to put a little dry shampoo. Also, I think it helps and gives it a little volume, and I am using Living Proof's dry shampoo. It's so good. So not only does it make my hair look clean, but it gives it a little volume. And then I'm gonna go in with Moroccan Oil's amazing hairspray. I also used this in my other video. I am using it in Strong. So my hair doesn't hold a curl very well, so gotta spray this guy in. And what's great about this is I don't need a ton of product just because I do have the strong hold. All I need is a little bit. And a little bit in the back. And there we go. So these curls came from this straightener, which is crazy. It's definitely a different curl than if I was curling with like my other curling iron. But sometimes I prefer this more where it doesn't look like it was actually, I mean, it looks like it was curled, but it wasn't like curled, you know what I mean? Just effortless, there we go, curls. I also like that it's not really curled up here, it's just down here. So pretty, I love it. But yeah, that is curling your hair with straightener, specifically the GHD Platinum Plus. Highly recommend, it's awesome. And yeah, So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and also subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions or you want to see a different video. Let me know what you guys want to see, you know, all that good stuff. Put it down below. All right, well, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.